Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play night in the forest. Your primary objective is to endure 99 terrifying nights within a mysterious, abandoned forest. You'll need to establish and fortify a base around a central campfire, which serves as your sole source of light and safety. Beware, as twisted zombie animals roam the darkness, constantly hunting for any sign of life. Each night brings new and deadlier threats, making survival increasingly challenging. The campfire is your most vital asset in night in the forest. You must continuously upgrade it to shine brighter and expand its protective circle. During the day, focus on gathering essential resources like wood to keep your fire burning through the night and to construct various defensive structures. While exploring the forest for rare materials, remember that venturing further into the darkness significantly increases the risks you face. As darkness falls, the terrifying zombie animals will sense your campfire's light and warmth, slowly converging on your base. Be prepared, as each subsequent night brings forth new and increasingly dangerous threats. To navigate the perilous forest and temporarily deter these creatures, strategically use torches and lanterns. However, remember that these light sources have limited duration, so plan your explorations and defenses wisely. To successfully endure all 99 nights, careful resource management is paramount. Pay close attention to your stamina and flashlight usage, as balancing these is crucial for survival. Continuously explore the forest to uncover hidden secrets and discover new opportunities for base upgrades. Adapt your defensive strategies and fortify your camp with various structures to withstand the escalating dangers and ultimately achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.